Quick tip here, guys. This is a French door Hisense refrigerator. Model number there. Now these shelves, in case you do have to remove them, if you notice they're pretty much stuck together. Now if you look closely, there is a center tab and you must raise one up first. For example, let's do the left. Okay, there it is right there. And that other piece snaps into it. Trying to focus here. See that? So it snaps in. So you have to hold one shelf as you push the other up, and then you can extract it. So there's that piece. It slides into that piece. All right. Thanks for watching.